Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video about indices like US30, S&P 500, DAX, and, Nasdaq, all of that. I made a video yesterday showing that before and after charts with my analysis. But what I got is I got a few emails saying that, yeah, the analysis is great and all of that, but how do we make the entry? How do we use your system in these indices? Forex, it's easy, but what about the indices? So let me just make the video so that you can clearly understand. So this is US30 weekly chart I made on July 27th. And obviously, the chart that I showed you yesterday about the Nasdaq, this is the chart I made on the same day. And this S&P on the 22nd July, I made this chart here, making like a butterfly pattern here, right? Similarly here, DAX making a double top, all of that, right? So what happened to these charts? Let's go take a look one by one. US30, as of today, it is here. So it came down very nice and clean right from 35,627. Right, as I said that it will come down, it is coming down. Same chart, right? 35,627. Now the next chart was Nasdaq making like a crab harmonic pattern, 161% shooting star candlestick formation at 157.18. What happened to this one is let me see, Nasdaq is right there. See how powerful it's coming down? Okay, and the other one, the Nasdaq, and then we had S&P 500 coming off of 127 level, the same harmonic pattern, and this is the high at 45.50, and this one came down as of today. It is S&P is this. See that? It's coming down exactly from there. Went up a little bit, but then it's coming down. And same thing with German DAX is also coming down. See that? It came down a little bit, but it's coming down from the double top. Now, the question is that how do we make the entry using my system? So I made a few of them. So let me show you the chart. Where are they? Hold on, just a minute. Okay, US30. Okay, these are the entries. You see that? It was bullish here above the red line, and then all of a sudden it dropped down below. All the EMAs are aligned, and then first entry, this indicates all the way up the top. This, all of them. 827, you can see here. August 17, August 17. This is all today. August 17, right? And similarly, Nasdaq, look at that. Bullish here, all of a sudden drop here, become bearish, and August 17, how many entries? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Any one of these will be in the money. All of these are August 17 today. S&P 500, you can see beautiful entries, was bullish here, dropped down here, sell, 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 sell. So you see, all of these indices or commodities or gold, they have these entries coming in. Of course, we have different setting for different instrument, right? So yeah, so but this is how the system gives you the entry if you have properly set up everything. All right, so hope that helps. And if you want to get this system and learn the system, that you have to go on my website and subscribe and start learning from there. Okay, so this is just wanted to show you guys. And another warning about my Telegram channel. The only Telegram channel I have is Creative Trading System. My website name right now, that's what it is. There are people using my YouTube name, My Forest Magic Wave, and my profile picture, which is me there. They're using both of these things and running fake channels. They are not, those channels are not mine. It doesn't belong to me. They are completely fake frauds. My channel is only Creative Trading System. Right? Just keep in mind. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. so that you can get my videos quickly as soon as I upload them. All right. So this is it for now. If any other question or comment, just post the comment on the YouTube or send me an email to my email address, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com, and I will try to explain things better. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week, which is Friday. One more day, and then you have a weekend. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.